Today is February 12th, 2014. I'm in the middle of a parking lot right now, and I'm proving that my brakes are still making noise as I apply the brakes, which means that there's metal to metal contact, from my understanding. I'm not a mechanic, but, you know, it makes common sense. So here we go. You can see me moving in the background. I'm not imagining this. Hear that? How's this again? I'm going to put it closer to the window so you can hear it better. How's this? I'm braking. Can you hear it? Braking again. So you can tell that I'm moving. This is not a joke.